we'll guide you through how to mask text in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your device, then click Blank Presentation and select Create in the bottom left corner. Next, right-click the line in the rectangle shape at the top rectangle and click Cut. Then right-click the line in the rectangle shape at the bottom rectangle and click Cut to remove those elements from the slide. After that, go to the Insert tab and click Text Box. Click anywhere on the slide and type any sentence you want. For example, how to mask text in PowerPoint. Once the text appears, make it larger and change the font to one that fits your design needs, preferably something bold so the masking effect is more visible. Next, go to Insert again, click Pictures, and then choose Stock Images for an easier way to find photos. At this stage, you have 3 ways to search for an image. You can scroll manually through the available images, choose a theme variant to browse categories, or type a keyword in the search bar to find something specific. After selecting your preferred method, search for the photo you want, click on it, and then click Insert. Once it is inserted, enlarge the photo until it covers the full width of the text box so the masking effect will fill all the letters properly. Then, position the photo behind the text to make it easier to combine both elements. To do this, click Arrange and choose Send to Back so the image moves behind the text layer. After that, select both the text and the image by holding the Shift key and clicking each object. With both selected, go to the Shape Format tab, click Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect. This final step will apply the masking effect, allowing the image to appear only within the text shape, creating a clean and visually engaging result. Additionally, ensure the text remains clear and readable after applying the effect by testing different fonts and sizes until you achieve the best visual result for your design. Finally, review the slide carefully and make small adjustments if necessary to improve balance and overall appearance before using or sharing your finished masked text design in any presentation.